Number 33 is exciting because we are finally doing 3/4 time signature, and that means we have 3 beats per measure. We've been doing 4. We've been doing common time this entire time. It's doing 4 beats per measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can think of marches, or probably one of your favorite songs on the radio will be in 4/4. Now this is in 3/4, often thought of as a waltz. Any fancy movie or like Cinderella, when they're in the ballroom, they're going to be doing a waltz. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or even slower than that. And so that's what we want to count and feel. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So in my students' music, I write a big 1 and then a smaller 2, 3. Not that I always want them to necessarily accent that downbeat, but I want them to feel, like really internalize that downbeat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And sometimes then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Teach them that conducting shape so that they can really relate to this time signature, because it morphs the music into something different, something that we're not quite used to. So we're doing some fancy things with our fingers. We're hopping back and forth. A, E. So we're all 3 on the E string. A, E. A, G. A, E, D, C, B, A. So we have that dotted half note at the end that has 3 beats, and it has a repeat. And we're not going to be doing that today because we're going to be plucking it and then playing it. So set your fingers up on the E string, all 3, and then when we go to that open E, don't lift your fingers up all the way, because we're going to go right back to it. And if we go weep, and then we're not going to be very accurate putting all 3 of those fingers down. So we're just going to do a slight lift and then put it right back down. So let's start that. Pluck it. 1, 2, ready, go. A, E, A, G, A, E, D, C, B, A, 2, 3. Watch where that comes down, because it's not the same as the beginning. So take your time. Loop it if you need to. Let's start it. 1, 2, 3 on the E string. 1, 2, 3. 1, ready, go.